I had one more hilarious movie story that I had to share. So I was watching Udaan, right? And so this is what I don't get. If the movie is UA or even A, don't get a kid along.
Absolutely.
Don't get a fucking kid along because you're going to embarrass yourself or embarrass people around you. So what happens is we're watching Udaan, and in the movie this boy has a strained relationship with his father, and one night the father gets drunk, so the boy has to pick him up and drive him home. And so for the first time the father's having a candid conversation with his father, with his son,
yeah.
with his son. So yeah, it's just one of these high intense scenes, right? And the father is going, तो तूने sex किया है? So the boy goes, नहीं. So as when he says, तूने sex किया है? This kid behind me goes, Mama, sex क्या होता है?
Was it Gujarati kid? Sex nothing chair.
And his mother and obviously all of the entire theater is going mad.
I'm sure the director must be killing himself. He's like, what the hell? This is supposed to be tender. What is this fucking kid doing here? Sex kid to chair.
And the funny part is, so she finally quiets the kid down, right? She like,
what did she tell you?
Like, chup, movie dekho. So there's a scene later where eventually this conversation goes sour, and the father gets really pissed off at the son. So and the son's trying to like help him up the stairs and stuff. He pushes him like, "Ja, hath mat laga mujhe, sala, sex bhi nahi kiya." And again the kid goes, "Mama, bolo na, sex kiya hai." And like serves her right.
Serves are absolutely right, man. Fucking people.
Okay, now my turn, dude.
No, but wait.
Huh,
I'm glad you brought this up. This whole
getting kids to movies.
No, getting kids to like this the whole.
What is sex?
The whole age level to
they're
what
not birds
content.
and bees for it.
No, because I wanted to bring this up. Sunny Leone is in
Mumbai.
She's in Mumbai. Sorry.
I don't think she's in
Sunny
Mumbai.
Leone.
I think Big Boss house is in Mathiran or something.
What? Okay, so
Whatever, she's in India.
She's in India.
That's she's an
Maharashtra.
Indo-Canadian. She's an Indo-Canadian.
I have seen a lot of Sunny Leone work. I'm
the most famous
I can't say I'm a fan.
Indo-Canadian
fan, but
the most famous Floyd. What Floyd aspires to be,
like
a famous Indo-Canadian with a fake name.
when I grew
White
up,
Floyd.
when I grew up, I want to be just like
Sunny Leone, of course.
Have you seen the assets she's collected in her lifetime?
her asset valuation is really high.
But yeah, so like, just if people don't know who she is a porn star.
Google her, a search.
I don't know. Google and all of it are liars. If you are
Save free
pretending to be
images
doing this,
of-
are all liars.
So
If you are pretending this, all of
she's
it
a
are
porn
liars.
star, and
What?
That's Sunny Leone. Oh, I thought it's somebody else.
And she's one of the few Indian
Canadians.
like
There's
few
no
porn
few
stars
there.
she's one of the few porn stars who have an Indian background, so like a lot of people really look forward to these genre of performers because they
Floyd has a market basically.
He's trying to cultivate on himself.
she's an inspiration.
Indo-Canadian performers.
Oh, yes. Anyways, so I want to know what was your opinion, because a lot of people are like, they have these they're saying she's only here to cash in on the whole Bollywood item.
So what?
Oh no, she's a porn star.
Let her.
What do
No,
you
let
mean?
her. What the
my
fuck?
my
If
view
Katrina
is,
Kaif can come
man.
back here and make a fucking career out of being a British Indian or whatever the hell she is.
But I guess
person-
the difference over here is that she's a porn star.
Okay,
Sure,
here-
what
here-
are human
here-
beings,
wait.
Floyd? What are you trying to
Why
say?
are you guys
I'm not-
complaining
wait,
about
exactly.
another porn star in the country?
Which is what I'm trying to say.
Wait, my point. Look, I'm not judging her. Okay, I'm not judging. I just want to.
You better not.
I'm not judging her. I'm not judging.
so
I give her 5 stars,
Sunny
but I'm
side
not
up.
judging her. I give her 5 stars on the page, but I'm not judging her.
What page, Floyd?
Indo-Canadian. Indo-Canadian porn only.
It's a small community.
It's a small
It's a
community.
small diaspora. It's a diaspora now.
Small inbred
Diaspora.
Small inbred
Small
diaspora.
diaspora. No, but no. I just want to know, like, what were your opinions about it? Because
No,
a
I'm
lot,
like-
there's a lot of. There's
No,
a lot of
I don't know, I don't-
backlash. A lot of people are like, what the hell?
From
Some people are
whom?
just happy. Some people are ecstatic
Are
about
they
it.
expecting her to suddenly go like full porn star mode in Big Boss?
This is
Cannot.
No, but look, this is how strong. But this is how
Baby.
strong the opinions are, because I was reading this article, and it's this article on this website called Z. It's on znews.com. That's what the article's on.
Took him a while. Took him a while.
It wasn't Indo-Canadian, that's why.
G News.
No, it's on ZNews.com. And the article's headline is...
Wait, they thought it was German news or something. Same news.
The article's headline is Big Boss Sunny Leon hides her porn star status. Which obviously means...
How can she? How can she even try to?
But apparently she is, because she's come on to Big Boss. and
She's
she
not
hasn't-
wearing the heels, dude.
She hasn't...
The glass heels.
She's not wearing the glass heels.
She hasn't admitted
She's
to
undercover,
the,
baby.
She hasn't admitted to like the people in Big Boss.
Oh, like because they're
about
stupid.
who she
Because
is.
Because they're stupid.
Well, apparently she is, because
No, but
there's-
why does she need to like state it? It's not like it's
Yeah,
not
man.
it's not like
Like, let
when,
me
when
read
you and I
something.
walk into a room.
Let me read
I don't go
something.
and state I
Fuck,
am
no.
an online marketing person.
like
Nobody condemns her being Indo-Canadian. It should be condemned, but they don't. Just because she's a porn star.
No, but look at it. People don't. Maybe they might be faking, but I'll just read it. Like Pooja Bedi was the first to shoot probing questions, and her first question was, "Who are you?" And Leon
Really insightful.
Very insightful.
and Leon replies, "I'm an actress and a model. I'm from California." Okay.
It's such a pleasant,
There's no
dignified
that is
response.
absolutely.
Okay.
Why
And
should
then-
she?
And then Karen Malhotra.
Who is-
Who's Karen Malhotra?
Who is Karen Malhotra, by the way? Is she more famous than Sunny Leon? I don't
I
think
don't
so.
know. I don't know who she is.
Never heard of her.
Like, but she says, "I have seen you."
Oh,
This is funny. This is
Someone's
funny.
coming
This is
out of the
funny.
closet
This is really
raping.
funny from Leon's part. He says, "I have seen you sitting in India. I have seen you somewhere." And Leon replies, "Maybe on the internet."
See, she's such a witty woman.
She's
Better
very-
than
she's
this
very
dumbass
witty.
Karen.
Yeah.
Malhotra.
And she's already had like the guys in Big Boss and all. They started hitting on her and everything.
Can you blame them?
But that's my point. I'm like,
But hey, how can you assume
it's-
that she's
it's
a porn star?
quite-
Then
Exactly.
she just-
No. They are hitting on her. That's bad on their part.
No,
man.
but
I was
it's
wrong
bad
with
on their
Leon.
part.
Bad on their
She's
part
a good-looking
is-
woman, and
Yeah.
so they want to hit on her.
Okay, not
Nothing
bad
wrong
on their
with
part, but I don't see how she being held responsible for anything, man.
Yeah. What do they want
I
him to
don't seem
do?
understand
Like,
this.
go on. No, I'm a porn star. No, I found.
So let her
for money.
In out.
In out. On camera.
Saki $5 all the time.
Sometimes for pictures also.
Maybe not $5,
Maybe not
$25,000 all the
I-
time.
I've like really explored technology. I've gone 3D porn.
Hey, but let's come to a conclusion. I am assuming all of us, at least in this room, are supporting. Like, we should be.
Go Sunny Leon.
Yeah, exactly.
If I was watching the show, I'd vote for her.
I just wanted
Absolutely,
to-
I
okay.
make sure she wins, man.
When I was
This is
reading this,
nonsense.
so
man.
I was reading this article, okay, and I found these really hilarious because people have posted comments, okay, and I wanted to read the comments out to you because I find them really hilarious. The first comment, okay, hell with Big Boss. How can you allow a porn star on TV? Have you sold your shame?
What is this gentleman's name? If there is any.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's all it's written. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Clearly, I have a name.
He sold his name.
sold his name with his shame.
Apparently, everything is sellable now.
And then some other person, Kulvinder from Delhi. I'm not gonna say the surname.
Thanks.
It is shameful work. We should boycott it. He's missed the spelling of O, so it's put BYCOT. I'm pretty sure, Mr. Kulvinder, you want to buy a lot of it. I'm pretty sure.
Full cart full of it.
And then
No, but I heard this hilarious joke
And
on this
then-
situation, right?
and then-
listen.
Yeah.
So if the joke goes, if Abhay Deol marries Sunny Leon, she becomes Sunny Deol. Then she should divorce him and marry Sunny Deol. So there'll be Sunny Deol wed Sunny Deol.
Ultimate narcissist.
Ultimate narcissist.
It's like the ending of Chinatown. Mother, brother. If anybody's seen Chinatown, will get this.
there are some really more funny ones. Like the other one is from Ajay from Delhi, and it's like, what a joke. Porn star in Big Boss? What would show? That's all.
What would show?
What would show?
Hang on.
And like there's like
double
there's like question mark.
No, but the big
He writes
problem is-
question mark, typed it out one by one.
The next one is really brilliant.
With
okay?
meticulous.
The next one is really brilliant. The next one is by Amjad from Pakistan. Okay? Undoubtedly, she is so beautiful. But the question is, how will we explain if the children ask, who is this Sunny Leon?
Oh, how
In
deep.
my
Why are you
opinion-
showing children these shows?
In
What is
my
wrong
opinion-
with you? Amjad, dude.
Like,
मैंने
in
पहले
my
देखा है
opinion-
आपके वो हिडन फोल्डर में था
आपके कपड़े तो वॉलपेपर होती है
In my
जब मम्मी
opinion,
आती तो हटा देते हो आप।
entertainment-
In my opinion, let it speak.
In my opinion, entertainment industry should have some restrictions, at least on TV. And
And
then
not allow idiots like you to
Big
fucking
Boss
comment.
season 5 has now become Big Pawn season 5.
He's a witty one.
Wordsmith, I say.
Wow.
He's such a deep fellow, yeah.
No, but
Trying
dude,
to comment on the state
The
of
problem is,
entertainment in our country.
if anyone has seen the international versions of Big Boss, they would know that a lot of worse stuff happens on the show.
Yeah,
Exactly.
there's been stuff. There's
Like
been
people have
there's been
had sex
videos.
on the
Yeah,
show.
dude, there's so many videos.
That's beyond the
Pesha knows.
Of course, I'm an aware person, yeah. Come on, yeah.
The point is, and I don't think she's been brought in to do that on
Of
TV.
course not.
She's not.
I love
course
this.
not.
No, but in question that I love this. There are lots of beautiful girls in India. If Big Boss wants new member for Big Boss house, then you can take any girl.
I was just kidding. Is this a
We
girl?
cannot see Pawn
Sign
Star
White
with our
Floyd.
family.
Is this a girl? Is this a girl who said
No,
it?
this is some Gagan.
No,
I think he's considering a sex change
No,
or something.
But it's all mostly men, huh? It's all
obviously,
men.
who else is searching for Sunny Leone?
Exactly.
They're looking for Sunny Leone come landing on this page.
I like this. Oh my god, she's too hot. But why Big Boss allow a porn star into the house? Is this a family show?
No, it is not a family
It
show.
is